The ABC Fun Town.
Let's play!
A is for apple. Apple is red, sweet, and round. The best healthy snack can always be found. B is for bear. Bear has soft fur and a cuddly face. He gives big warm hugs all over the place. C is for car. Car has big wheels and goes zoom, zoom, zoom. We love to go riding all over the room. D is for duck. Duck swims in water and quacks loud and clear, waddling and splashing, full of happy cheer. E is for egg. Egg is so fragile and sits in a nest, a warm, cozy home where birdies can rest. F is my fish. Fish swims in the ocean, deep down below. He wiggles his tail and puts on a show. G is for green. Green is the grass and the leaves on the tree, a beautiful color for you and for me. H is for hat. Hat keeps my head warm or shaded from sun. Wearing a silly hat is lots of fun. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is yummy, cold, sweet, and so nice, a special sweet treat, better than spice. J is for jump. Jump up and down as high as you can, like a happy little frog or a super duper fan. G is for kite. Kite flies so high, way up in the sky, dancing with wind as the clouds drift on by. L is for lion. Lion has a mane and a loud mighty roar, the king of the jungle and much, much more. M is for moon. Moon shines at night, a big friendly light. It helps us all sleep cozy and tight. N is for nest. Nest is a home for a bird family small, safe in the branches, high up and tall. O is for owl. Owl has big eyes and hoots in the dark. He watches the forest, we leave his mark. P is for pig. Pig loves to roll in the mud, what a spree. Right on. Oink goes the pig, happy as can be. Q is for quack. Quack says the duck, down by the pond, a silly fun sound of which we are fond. O is for rabbit. Rabbit has long ears and hops through the grass, wiggling his nose so quick he can pass. S is for star. Star twinkles brightly way up in the night, a tiny gold sparkle, a beautiful sight. T is for train. Train goes choo-choo, on its tracks it will roll, taking us places with a happy fun goal. U is for umbrella. Umbrella keeps raindrops right off of my head. I hold it up high when it rains, it is said. V is for van. Van is a car with lots of room inside, for family and friends on a fun, happy ride. W is for water. Water we drink and we splash and we play. It helps us feel fresh all through the day. S is for xylophone. Xylophone makes music with a soft, happy sound. Tap, tap on the bars, joy all around. is for yellow. Yellow is bright like the sun in the sky. A happy warm color catching your eye. Z is for zebra. Zebra has stripes black and white side by side. He gallops so fast with nowhere to hide. Hi kids, we hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos.